How are you, sir?
I am alright. How about you?
Also, I'm great. So, shall I start the speaking test?
Yes, you can start. I'm
Okay.
ready.
Okay, this is the speaking test of English, which is taking place at English Achievers. My name is Asadul Islam. I am a faculty member of English Achievers. Now, I will conduct your speaking test. At first, I will ask you some personal question about yourself. What's your full name?
My full name is Islam Rahi, and you can call me by the name Rahi.
Okay, right, sir. Where are you from?
I'm originally from Sylhet Gulabganj, but now I have permanent address in Sylhet Borobajar. And if I being more specific, then Sylhet Borobajar, Dar es Salaam Madrasa.
Okay, great answer. Do you work or study?
Actually, I'm a student and I study right now, and I don't have any work.
Okay, what's your school name?
I was in a school, but currently I am in a college. But actually, I will apply for college soon. And the school I was in is Green City International Collegiate School.
Okay, what's your favorite major?
My favorite major is obviously science and all the subject of science. Specifically, if I say chemistry, chemistry is really a subject that amuses me the most, and chemistry always give me the fun that other subject can't give me.
Okay, thank you. Great answer. Now, let's talk about internet. Do you use internet?
Yes, it's essential for everyone of student or every job goers and anyone. Internet is the thing that everyone must use or everyone had to use.
Okay. How often do you use internet?
I use internet regularly. Every day I have lots of work to do in internet. Sometimes maybe for study, sometimes for research, or sometimes for entertainment.
Okay, good answer. The next question is, do you think internet is very useful for the students or workers?
Of course, internet is really useful and really helpful for a student and the workers, because a student can find all the types of information or all the type of study material in internet. Especially he can use artificial intelligence such as ChatGPT, which is built by OpenAI, or he can use DeepSeek, which is also a really good artificial intelligence. And same goes for workers. All the thing workers or job seekers need, he can find in internet, and he can use it by the way he wants.
Okay, excellent answer. Let's talk about cooking. Do you like cooking?
Yes, actually, I'm not that good at cooking, but yeah, it's a kind of hobby to me, even though I am not that good at cooking.
Okay, what kind of dishes can you cook?
I can cook a few dessert, and the most favorite one is pudding and ramen that I can cook, and those are my favorite things. That's why I can cook them.
Okay. How have you learned cook?
Actually, I have seen my mom cooking lots of time, and I have learned it from seeing my mom.
Okay, thank you. Now I will give you a topic and you have to speak at least 2 minutes on this topic. Okay, the topic is talk about your favorite sports.
Sure. Should I start right now?
Yeah, you can start.
Okay. So sports is a thing that every human being must play, or everyone human being played once in his lifetime. And sports is the thing that keeps a human being healthy by his health and by his mind. Sports can improve human being health far more than he was before. Every person has a favorite sports. And I'm not different from that. I have favorite sports also, and my favorite sport is football. Football is a world-renowned game, and it's actually most popular game in the world, and it's literally the have the most and the biggest fan base in the world. Football is the thing that most people like. It's actually a game played between two teams, and each team has 11 members, and one goalkeeper and two outside the goalpost player, and they have a ball which they should uh, put inside the goal bar or goal post, and the team with the most goal win the game. This game actually really helpful for our health. Actually, when we play football, our our heart take a huge amount of oxygen, which is really useful our health. And the more oxygen we get, the more functional our brain become. Because of that, we can think more properly, and we can do lots of work more easily and more properly than we used to do before. That's why football is really a good game for us to play, and it's really a game that gives us pleasure and a good health as a gift, but it cost us nothing.
Okay, thank you, sir. Your time's up. I have some question to you. You have said your favorite sports